What are you saying? What are you saying? Huh? What are you saying? Oh, really? Is that what he's saying? What was Mama holding? A phone? She don't know what it is. Say, I just pooped my pants again. I do big blowouts every day, right? At least one every day. Yeah. I did big poopies. And I ate all my bottle. And say, now I'm so happy. I'm feeling so good. Right? Oh, really? Let me see those feet curl up. Go ahead, you kick them. Show us how you kick. Oh, no? You just want to relax? Oh, yeah. Oh, I love those feet. I love those feet. I love those feet. I love that face. I love that face. Yes, I do. Oh. Say bye-bye.